to prepare steam pan and steam 5 minutes until mixture is thoroughly set. Pour in the white mixture until... Hi guys, we're making sapin today. This is white. This is ube. And this is yellow.
Alright, Adriel is mixing the coconut powder into water. Gently mixing it. And these are the mixture, the yellow, the ube, the purple, and the white. So, and we're gonna split this coconut water mixture into these 3 colors. So we're gonna divide that coconut water into these 3 colors, 3 flavors. Alright. Yan. May mix na ni Adriel. Yung yellow.
Oh, there's dye in there.
Purple. And this the white. Okay, you're mixing it. Okay.
We're going to cook the purple first.
Ayan, ready na siya. Lalagay na namin siya dito. Tapos i-steam na namin. Water is boiling na. Let's go. Ayan na yung purple. I-steam na natin. And let's wait. So this is the yellow. I put the yellow. And I'll set the timer for 8 minutes. Now, this is the white. So we're gonna put the timer on for 8 minutes. Again, start. Alright, let's see. Wow! Perfect! So, ayan na ang aming ginawa, pero mamaya ko pa siya babaliktad. What is that?
Sapin.
Oh, look at me. So, this is the sapin that Adriel and Mommy made.
Can we
Ooh!
have?
It's yummers. Look.
Give me a bite.
Sapin.
Have the menu.
Yummy. Tama lang, no? Yung layer yun. The purple, the yellow, and the white.
It's stuck to my finger.
Ayaw tumigil simula pa nung Monday. O sige, ayan. Sapin-sapin. O ngayon, natikman mo na ang sapin-sapin. How does it taste?
Yum.
Yummy? You like it? Craving satisfied? Craving!
Ito may lang pa.
Sapin-sapin. Tamis na eh. Wow! Alright, happy eating! Enjoy!